very waste. That session is the problem solving session. In this session I will take a very important problem. A solid shaft is to transmit a torque of 45 into 10 to the power 5 Newton into mm. If the maximum shearing stress is not exceed 80 Newton per mm square and the angle of twist is not exceed 1 degree in the 20 mm diameter, 20 times 20 diameter length of the shaft, determine the diameter of the shaft. Take Z is equal to 0.8 into 10 to the power 5 Newton per mm square. You know what are given here? Given simply Z is given 0.8 into 10 to the power 5 and our torque, transmitted torque is the 45 into 10 to the power 5 Newton meter and not exceed tau. Tau is given 80 Newton per mm square and not exceed, twisting is not exceed 1 degree. means the twisting means you are given here angle theta is given 1 degree. You know 1 degree convert into radian, because you know direct do not put this radian value in the torsion equation. So first this degree convert into the radian, this conversion multiply pi by 180. So here are R thing are given, here given equal to diameter 20 times of the diameters. What is the strength criteria? Tau by IP, tau by R. T by IP, tau by R, that is our strength criteria. Our here you see in figure, T is given, tau is given, and R, that is the diameter, are given 20 times of the length. IP the polar moment of inertia, pi d के power 4 divided 32. So put the value 45 into 10 to the power 5 pi d के power 32, 80 divided d by 2, and 45 into 10 to the power 5, that d by 2 are cancelled, then pi d के power 60 go this side, 80 into pi d के power 60 and 45 multiplied 10 to the power LCM, and then this 60 go multiple in the 45 multiplied 10 to the power 5 and 80 go denominator of the 45 multiplied 10 to the power 5, because of here a multiple, then he will go this side in the denominator value of 45 multiplied 10 to the power 5, and these pi are also multiple, and this multiple go 45 multiplied 10 to the power 5 and as diameter multiple of 80 multiple of pi. So you will write here available only dq. So you will write d is equal to under root power 3 45 into 10 to the power 5 into 10 into 60, 80 multiply. So you will obtain the value of the d is equal to 65.92. Stiffness criteria. What is the here are tau by IP into GTT by L considered as the stiffness criteria. Tau by IP GTT by L as the stiffness criteria based on the angle of the twist. Put the value of the T, 45 into 10 to the power 5 pi d के power 4 divided by 32, that's equal to G is equal to 0.8 10 to the power 4, angle theta is equal to 1 into pi by 180, and this length here given in question L is equal to 20 into D, and so 45 multiplied 10 to the power 5 into 20, 0.8 into 10 to the power 5, and these 20 go this side, these diameter are cancelled, so you'll write the pi d के power 32 into pi by 180 into 1 into 0.8 into 10 to the power 5 same as. Then this 180 and 32, that is divide, go this side in multiple, and this multiple go in divide. So we write d cube is equal to 45 multiplied 10 to the power 5 into 20 into 180 into 32, that is the division of right hand side come in left hand side in multiple, and this 0.8 into 10 to the power 5 into pi square, that d cube you will write the value of d under root 3 45 into 10 to the power 5 into 20 into 180 into 32 divided by 0.8 into 10 to the power 5. So you will write, then calculate, then you will find the value of the diameter equal to 86.91. But here imagine, here are that two diameter are obtained, first through the strength criteria, second one obtained through the stiffness criteria. Which diameter are take the shaft who is applicable for transmit the power. So this is check the value of the diameter obtained through the strength criteria put in the first condition, then obtain the torque or stress that compare the value stress. When the value of the stress less than, then you will consider this diameter. When increase the value of the stress, find through the put the value of diameter d, then do not consider the diameter. And the strength criteria through obtain diameter put in the stiffness equation, then find out the theta, and these theta value are when increase the given theta 1 degree, then do not take a shaft diameter. So in this session, the next step our is the check the whose diameter is the take to design the shaft. So our first criteria, tau by IP, tau by R. So here find out the torque. In this question, I'll say that our tau is not exceed which value? Some value are given. These value not more than. So I am obtain the diameter from stiffness criteria, put in this equation, then find out the torque. So this torque is equal to d by 2 cancel this. You can write pi d equal 32, and here are available tau, then they put the value 45 into 10 to the power 5 into pi d to the power 60. In the d by 2 cancel, so you will write the pi d to the power 60, 45 by 10 to the power 5. Here are no anything available, have only the tau. So I will write tau is equal to 45 multiplied by 10 to the power 5 divided by pi d cube divided by 60, and put the value of diameter. The diameter obtained in the stiffness criteria. This stiffness criteria obtain the diameter put in the strength criteria equation. So you'll see the 34.91 Newton per meter obtain the torque. These 34.91 values are less than 80 Newton per mm square. So you will consider the diameter of the shaft is the 86.91. Means here are now our when I am take a shaft diameter 86.91, then I am find out the stress of the shaft, induced stress, that induced stress not greater than the given maximum stress. So this shaft is the work safely. Second criteria, tau by IP g theta by L, and in this figure, see here I find out the theta. Put the value of the theta. You will write the 40. Tau is equal to 45 into 10 to the power 5. IP is equal to pi d to the power divided 32 equal to g is equal to 0.10 10 to the power 5 into theta divided 20d. These theta are obtained when the put the value of the diameter obtained through the strength criteria value. When I put this theta is equal to 65.92 square, this d cancel, 20 go this side, and this all term go this side. So you'll write 0.8 multiplied 10 to the power 5, 0.8 multiplied 10 to the power 5 into theta into pi into d cube, 65.92 cube divided by 32, and 45 into 10 to the power 5 into 20. These 20 go this side, 45 multiplied 10 to the power 5 into 20. So you will write this equation and solve this equation. Obtain value theta is equal to 0.400378. Our theta is given in the form of degree, but you in this equation, the torsion equation, through obtain the theta in the radian, then you will convert the radian into degree, will multiply by 180 divided by pi. So I will obtain the value of the theta is equal to 2.29, and I see here 2.29 degree is the greater than 1 degree, so I will not take a shaft diameter 65.92 because of here are angle of twist are increased. When angle of twist are increased, that means the our shaft is the break, it is not work safely, so I will not consider the diameter of the shaft according to strength criteria. I will consider the diameter according to stiffness criteria. So we'll see 2.29 greater than 1, so we will not consider the diameter of the shaft. Diameter D is equal to 65.9. So you will see in this equation tau by ip g theta by L into T by ip. T by ip g theta by L into tau by R, that is our torsion equation. All torsion equation, these torsion equation are divided into two parts. First part is the our strength criteria, second one is the our first strength, second one is the stiffness criteria. Tau by ip g theta by L is our stiffness criteria, and tau by T by ip g theta by L considered as the strength, and T by ip tau by R consider strength criteria, and tau by ip g theta by L consider stiffness criteria. And these two equations are put, I am find out the diameter, and again cross check the value of the diameter to not put that value, that equation, cross check to another equation. When I find out diameter from the stiffness criteria, then they put the diameter value in the stiffness strength criteria. When strength criteria obtained through the this diameter, put in the